So as you can see, we have been given that pH term is A, QH term is B, RH term is C. We need to show that this complete is equal to 0. So for the proof part, we'll utilize these values of A, B, and C. pH term. So this means that A will be equal to A plus P minus 1 into D. QH term is B. This means that B equal to A plus Q minus 1 into D. And here it will be C is equal to A plus R minus 1 into D. Have you followed this? Now this will be this starting with LHS Q minus R into A, which is A plus P minus 1 into D, plus R minus P into A plus Q minus 1 into D, and plus P minus Q into A plus R minus 1 into D. Is it clear? We're just putting up the values of A, B, and C. Now, what we call next is selective multiplication. That is, we do not multiply everything. What we do is, before we multiply, we do it for selective terms where we can get something common. What exactly I mean by this? इसको अगर हम A से multiply करेंगे, इसको A से और इसको A से. This is capital A. We'll be able to take A as common. Similarly, इसको अगर हम second वाली term से, इसको भी second वाली term से और इसको भी second वाली term से, we'll be able to take what will be common? Look, I'll tell you. Q minus R into A, R minus P into A, P minus Q into A. A common, and this will be Q minus R plus R minus P plus P minus Q. Have you followed this? Similarly, जब हम इसको second term से, इसको second term से, इसको second term से, so we can take D common, and it will be Q minus R into P minus 1. Shall I write or shall I multiply directly? Will you be comfortable? Shall I multiply this directly? Dekho, Q into R, Q into P minus 1. This will be PQ minus Q, and minus R into this. So minus PR plus R. Right? Agar confusion hai, let me know, I'll do it properly. Then R minus P into this. So this will be plus QR minus R minus PQ plus P. Similarly, these two. So this will be plus PR minus P minus QR plus Q. Simple multiplication. Now, if you analyze plus Q minus Q plus P minus P plus R minus R, plus PQ minus PQ plus P minus P minus QR plus R minus R minus Q plus PR minus PR. Everything got cancelled. So this will be A into 0 plus D into 0. 0 plus 0 equal to 0, which is the same as RHS. So that is what simply we have done in this. We have obtained the values of A, B, and C, and then we have replaced these values in LHS. And then after that, the term, what was the term? Selective multiplication. That is, in place of multiplying them completely, we have multiplied in such a form so that we can take something common. So first terms के साथ अलग multiply किया, A common आ गया. Second वाली terms के साथ multiply किया, D common आ गया. All the terms got cancelled. Right? Do it now. H8 is A1, A2, A3, and so on till AN. They are in AP. See, if these terms are in AP, what is the necessary condition for the terms to be in AP? Common differencing. So can we say that A2 minus A1 over here will be the same as A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3, and so on, and this will be equal to D. Right? Common difference is same. Now what we need to show is, we need to prove that 1 upon root A2 plus, मैंने यहाँ थोड़ी सी liberty ली है, वहां लिखा है A1 minus A2, root A1 plus root A2. I am writing root A2 plus root A1. That's one and the same thing. Liberty मैंने इसलिए ली है क्योंकि आगे हम फिर इस condition को utilize करना है. Plus 1 upon root A2 plus A3, so A3 plus A2, and so on till root AN plus root AN minus 1. अच्छा, एक चीज हम यहाँ पर ये dash dash will continue, and this will be AN minus 1 will also be equal to D. right? And we need to prove this equal to n minus 1 upon root a1 plus root an. ये प्रूव करना है. Now look here. Starting with LHS. If we rationalize this will become root a2 minus root a1 upon root a2 plus root a1 into root a2 minus root a1. Have you followed this? Rationalize किया, middle sign change करके multiply divide. Same thing for this, root a3 minus root a2 whole upon root a3 plus root a2 into root a3 minus root a2, and so on. When we rationalize this will be root an minus root an minus 1 upon root an plus root an minus 1 and root an minus root an minus 1. Right? Now look carefully. This is a2 minus a1 whole upon a plus b, a minus b. A square minus b square. Can we directly write it as a2 minus a1? This is root plus root a3 minus root a2 whole upon again a3 minus a2, and so on till root an minus root an minus 1 upon an minus an minus 1. This was the reason that initially I converted this AP into this form. A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2. All these denominators can now be replaced by D. And can we take it common? Because sub के upon में D है, that can be taken common. This is root 2 minus root A1, root A3 minus root A2, and so on till root an and minus root an minus 1. Right? Okay, अब 1 upon D सब में common आ गया. Right, Shubham? Now a2 and a2 cancel, a3 आगे कहीं जाकर minus root a3 आएगा, root an minus 1 पहले कहीं root an minus 1 आएगा. So we are left with only two terms, that is root an minus root a1 upon d. ये terms बची. But is it equal to RHS? Not yet. अगर आप RHS में एनालाइज करो, या तो हम RHS को रैशनलाइज करें या फिर इसको रैशनलाइज कर देते हैं, वो भी न्यूमरेटर. We can write it as root an plus root a1, root an plus root a1. Am I clear with it? Numerator को rationalize कर दो. A minus b, a plus b will be a square minus b square. That is an minus a1 upon d into root an plus root a1. Now we can use the formula for an. What's the formula for an? A plus n minus 1 into d. A1 means the first term, so only a. D into root an plus root a1. And this a and this a cancelled. This d and this d cancelled. N minus 1 root an plus root a. Followed? Just a quick recap. यहाँ में given था that a1, a2, a3 till an are in AP, so their common differences will be same. A3 minus a2 minus a1, a3 minus a2, all equal to d. यहाँ जो हमें terms given थी question के accordingly मैंने सिर्फ sequence change कर दिया, so that when we rationalize we actually get a2 minus a1, a3 minus a2 and so on. That is जो LHS था सबको rationalize कर दिया. अपॉन में सब के अपॉन में कॉमन डिफरेंस आ गया, 1 अपॉन डी वो कॉमन आ गया. बाकी जो टर्म्स बची वो ऑल्टरनेटिवली कैंसिल हो गई. We are left with an minus root a1. But क्योंकि RHS की इक्वल नहीं था, तो that means it still needs manipulation. That manipulation would be क्योंकि जो हमें प्रूव करना था उसके अपॉन में रूट वाले नंबर्स आ रहे थे, तो हमने यहाँ पर न्यूमरेटर को रैशनलाइज कर दिया. And we got it as an minus a1 upon this. an का फॉर्मूला यूज कर दिया, a1 is the first one, कैंसिल हो गया, and we got it equal to RHS. Now try doing it without looking at the board. In properties of AP, we have done that it is possible मतलब जैसे मैं एग्जांपल भी दिया था मैंने रिलेटेबल वाला, दैट देयर आर, मतलब इन एपी इट इज ऑलवेज लाइक दिस, वी ऐड सब्ट्रैक्ट मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड, कुछ भी हम करें, they it will not make produce any effect on the terms of AP, they will still be in AP. याद है ना ये सबको? ये एग्जांपल दिया था, कुछ भी ऐड सब्ट्रैक्ट मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड कुछ भी कर सकते हैं AP के साथ, they will always remain in AP. Now look carefully. If we take LCM over here, this will be BC and this will be AC plus AB. यहाँ मैंने गड़बड़ की है, this is 1 upon A plus 1 upon C था ना? LCM is AC and this will be BC plus AB. And this is AB and this will be BC plus AC. यहाँ तक clear है? Simply we have taken else. We can add or subtract any term from all the terms. If we add 1, the logic for adding 1 is AC plus AB upon BC plus 1. कुछ logic कुछ connect कर पा रहे हो? What's the need? What's the requirement for adding 1? थोड़ा सा सोचो अभी, फिर मैं समझाता हूँ. BC plus AB plus 1. BC plus AC upon AB plus 1. The logic behind adding this one is, अगर आप नोटिस करो दो टर्म्स ऊपर हैं और जो थर्ड वाली टर्म होगी, इसी मतलब सिमेट्रिकल वे में अगर हम देखें, जो थर्ड टर्म है वो डिनोमिनेटर में है, तो अगर हम 1 ऐड करते हैं तो हमारे पास तीनों टर्म सिमेट्रिकल आ जाएंगे. सी BC, if we now take the LCM, it will be AB plus BC plus AC, right? LCM is AC and this will be AB plus BC plus AC. LCM is AB and this will be AB plus BC plus AC. Am I clear with it? Dividing by AB plus BC plus, this is AC. AB plus BC plus AC. What will be left? 1 upon BC, 1 upon AC, 1 upon AB. That is, they are in AP. They are in AP. क्योंकि plus minus multiply divide कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. They are in AP. अब क्या करना चाहिए? नेक्स्ट चेंज आप लोग सोच कर बताओ. How to get that by the help of this? You can. I repeat, how to get this by the help of this. सिर्फ एक चेंज करना पड़ेगा, उस एक चेंज के बारे में सोचना है. That is, इसकी जैसे हमने यहाँ पर +1 कर दिया था, यहाँ पर इससे डिवाइड कर दिया था, यहाँ पर हम क्या चेंज करें? सिर्फ एक चेंज करते ही ऑब्टेन हो जाएगा वो. What should be the change that we should do in these terms? So, multiplying by ABC, right? तो थोड़ा सा आपको एनालिटिकली सोचना पड़ेगा. सी आई डिड नॉट टेल दिस डायरेक्टली. तो ऐसा नहीं कि मैं याद करके आया हूँ, है ना, उसमें थोड़ी याद. So you need to be analytical. Multiplying by ABC. जैसे आप में से कुछ लोग सोच रहे हैं, यार ये सारे स्टेप्स हमें कौन बताएगा? For that you need, right? और फिर भी अगर आपको बुक वाला मेथड अच्छा लग रहा है, आप उससे कर सकते हो. नो प्रॉब्लम. These two things are PX term is 1 upon Q, QH term is 1 upon P, and we need to show that sum of PQ terms is half of PQ plus 1. So let's convert these conditions to the form of equation. PX term will be A plus P minus 1 into D equal to 1 upon Q. QH term will be A plus Q minus 1 into D equal to 1 upon P. Right? Now subtract the two. These two cancelled. This will be P minus Q of whole D. क्योंकि -1 plus 1 वो cancel हो जाएंगे. Equal to 1 upon Q minus 1 upon P. So P minus Q into D equal to LCM as PQ, and this will be P minus Q. These two also cancelled. D equal to 1 upon PQ. Right? We got the value of D. Let's put up the value of D in equation 1. From equation 1. A plus P minus 1 into 1 upon PQ equal to 1 upon Q. Don't go for complete LCM. Better thing would be to open this bracket. See, P upon PQ. P upon PQ. 1 upon Q. And minus 1 upon PQ. Understood why I was telling you to avoid taking LCM? This way it's easier. So value of A is 1 upon PQ. We got A, we got D. These are the only two things we need. The formula for Sn is n upon 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Here we need to find out SPQ. So this will be PQ upon 2, 2 upon PQ, PQ minus 1 upon PQ. Quit out. So this is PQ upon 2. LCM is PQ, 2 plus PQ minus 1. PQ and PQ cancelled. So 1 upon 2, PQ plus 1. Followed? Try doing it.